If you're looking to switch from beachy waves to the trendy Utah curls, you've come to the right place. Utah curls leave the ends straight while achieving a loose, laid-back look, similar to beachy waves. Start by applying a heat protectant spray to damp hair before blow drying it for a smooth finish. Use a 1 or 1 1/4 inch curling iron, clamping the hair slightly above the mid-length and curling away from your face for 2 to 3 seconds, ensuring the ends remain straight. After curling, gently separate the curls with a wide-tooth comb for that relaxed vibe and finish with a light hold hairspray or texturizing spray to maintain the style. For a fresh look on non-wash days, consider using dry shampoo for added volume. Remember, the key difference between Utah curls and beachy waves is that the former keeps the ends straight while the latter curls all the way down.